I call UK Parliament to recognize Chinese human rights atrocities against the Uyghur people as genocide. There are plenty of academic, legal, and ground-based evidence to prove that China has committed genocide against the Uyghur people. If you fail to do so, you will send a wrong message to Chinese Communist Party and embolden them to continue their crimes against humanity. If you fail to do so, you will make a bad example for other countries and governments around the world to follow your steps and ignore the crimes against humanity made by Chinese Communist Party. If you fail to do so, you will hurt millions of innocent and voiceless Uyghur people who are suffering genocide back home and diaspora. And this is Tahir Iman, Uyghur activist based in Washington, D.C. I lost more than 20 members of my family in those concentration camps or prisons. China sentenced my mother, my 2 brothers, and sister-in-law for long-term prisons. UK Parliament, say it genocide as it is. We believe you are the voice of millions of voiceless Uyghur people. We believe you are the hope of millions of Uyghur people around the world.